Hello, today we are with Marie-Sybille Conan from Allianz Global Investors. So Marie-Sybille, what kind of topic do you want to discuss with the audience of the Novetic annual event?
Human capital management and corporate culture. Human capital management is a key asset for companies. Understanding how companies manage their employees, what challenges they face, and how these challenges can impact the performance of the company and the sustainability of the business model is key for long-term investors such as Allianz Global Investors. Human capital management is a key constituent of corporate culture, and corporate culture can determine the failure or the success of a company. We all have in mind examples such as Nike or Google, which are successful corporate cultures. We also have in mind toxic ones such as Enron. So human capital management and corporate culture can really impact the long-term performance of a company, but investors do little about it. Actually, it's not incorporated into investment analysis, whereas it's very important. So during this event, during our wake-up call, we will give you some ideas in order to improve your understanding and your assessment of the corporate culture and its impact on the financial performance. That's the objective of our wake-up call.
So Marie-Sybille, what kind of place do you give to responsible investment into asset management?
Responsible investment has gained more and more importance within Allianz Global Investors. The world is changing, and traditional financial investment analysis has to change as well. At Allianz Global Investors, we are convinced that the long-term financial implications of extra-financial issues such as labor standards, governance, resource scarcity can have an impact on the long-term performance of a company and on the sustainability at the business model. That's why the investment process at Allianz Global Investors is based on traditional financial analysis supported by extra-financial analysis. The investment process is also comforted by an active engagement strategy with companies in order to raise their awareness on these critical topics and to help them better manage them. This investment process is also supported by active proxy voting at general meetings, because we think that we need to be sure that good corporate practices are enforced and that shareholders and executives' interests are aligned. That's why responsible investment is key for Allianz Global Investors in order to fulfill our fiduciary duties.
So Marie-Sybille, thanks a lot, and see you in Paris 1st of December for next Novetic annual event.